Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Tara. Today we're going to discuss about a unique bracelet combination that we have come up with. So this is for your career growth and your business growth. A lot of times what happens is we are sick and tired of monotonous work. So even when you work or when you do business, it is monotonous and that it ends up with fatigue, procrastination of a job, and then the result will start diminishing. So this bracelet consists of three gemstones all together works as a beautiful combination for your career. So let's see what three gemstones inclusive in this bracelet. So first thing we have is carnelian, then we have green aventurine, then we have citrine. So carnelian is supposedly sacral chakra. This sacral chakra is located just above your Mooladhara chakra, which is your root chakra. So this sacral chakra is also associated with creativity, uniqueness, good energy flow, good thinking, everything. So when you are in your job or when you are in your business and you are supposed to attract people, you have to be different from others. You have to be unique from others. Then only you'll come under the limelight, right? So people do like creativity. People get attracted to new things. You don't have to go new things from the scratch, but if there is a little alteration in the existing one, say for example, if you're going to a tailor and then he's customizing gown or a blouse, but he puts his creativity in it and you will start liking it. Maybe initially you'll think, oh, what is this design? Then when you start wearing it and when people compliment it and you look nice in it, obviously you'll have a liking towards that creativity. So similarly, this is just an example. Similarly, when you are very creative, when you have a unique idea, which is welcomed, and people want new things. So when you have new idea in your business or unique promotion in your business, people are going to get attracted to your business. Okay. Similarly, at your work, when you come up with good ideas, new ideas, unique ideas that not the religious that. Regular one, if your ideas are little deviated from the normal thinking, and then it is very creative, and if there is a chance to get it done very well, of course your senior superiors are gonna like it, and then you will come under the limelight, right? Also, carnelian keeps you disciplined with whatever work you're doing. So what is the discipline? Maybe you'll stick on to, this is the procedure, I'm going to stick on to this procedure, I'm going to do this in my career, or if this file has to be completed or this project has to be completed on the specific date, and you will work towards that project on the specific date to complete it. So that kind of a discipline it will give. So when you're disciplined enough, when you're saying you'll complete a project on a given set date and you did it, of course they're going to say he has completed or she has completed the job on time, and that itself is a good recognition, and it will keep you in par with the expectation of your boss or your client. So carnelian is one such beautiful gemstone. After that, we have green aventurine and citrine. Both are associated with money abundance. Of course, green is associated with Graham, that is associated, Graha means a planet that is associated with your mind, and yellow citrine is associated with Guru Graham. When these two come under combination along with carnelian, you'll have discipline, and green aventurine and citrine will bring you good luck, good fame, good fortune, and then lots of abundance in your life, and then your career is going to be very disciplined, and you're going to come up with creative ideas, and plus you're rewarded with money, recognition, and also the lucky charm. So the good luck also is going to draw in lots of attention towards you. So this is a beautiful combination of these three gemstones. Who wears this will be very creative, come up with new ideas in their work or at business places, and then it's going to draw in lots of money for you, and it's going to keep you with your deadline completion of your project. So you will be recognized, you will be rewarded for all your hard work, and then Green aventurine also gives your mind clarity, and it gives you a memory or clarity. So it is associated with your mind. So you put your 100% effort in your work, and then the results are going to be amazing. So try wearing this career growth bracelet, and your growth no one can be, and your career growth no one will be able to stop. Try it, and if it's working out wonderful for you, please comment in the comment section.